This athlete is currently experiencing a total biological force shutdown. His chest heaves and his muscles lock up, and his central nervous system is aggressively pulling the plug to prevent permanent damage in the middle of this desert heat. A 50-gram, mouse-sized desert rodent known as the jerboa drove him to this absolute breaking point. Our collapsed runner goes by the nickname Abu Medals. He's a local gym champion built like a heavy-duty turbo engine with a collection of trophies from highly controlled environments that convinced him physical limits were for other people. Biology keeps a strict ledger. This is a forensic look at how specialized heavy muscle strength becomes a liability when it ignores the specific design requirements of its environment. The first crack in Abu Medals' armor appeared when he challenged a group of lean desert locals to a sprint. These runners carry zero excess body weight, their muscles honed entirely by the terrain. Within seconds, they leave him in the dust. His brain immediately reached for a defense mechanism: cognitive dissonance. Rather than process the reality of his defeat, he blamed the wind to protect his self-image as a champion. That fragile ego led to a massive tactical error. While hunting jerboas later that day, one of the rodents slipped through a gap in a trap. Instead of resetting the line, Abu Medals shouted, "I am faster than it," and launched his massive frame into a full-speed foot chase. On a flat, straight Olympic track, a human easily outruns a rodent. We need to look at the mechanical reasons why this specific chase across the dunes was destined for a systemic collapse. Ego-driven decisions often force us to abandon tactical advantages, like teamwork and tools, in favor of brute force solutions we were never biologically designed to execute. Humans are optimized for straight-line endurance, using sweat to dump heat over miles of pursuit. The jerboa, by contrast, is engineered for the high G turn. This diagram compares the two paths. The human's momentum creates broad, sweeping curves, while the jerboa makes sharp 90-degree angles. By constantly breaking the line of pursuit, the rodent ensures the human engine can never reach its top speed. The jerboa executes these angles using its long tail as a dynamic counterweight. When it cuts right, it whips that tail left to keep its center of gravity perfectly balanced through the turn. The central panels of this source image show the evasion in practice. The human is locked into his forward momentum, straining to adjust, while the rodent makes sharp, erratic leaps away from him. The jerboa uses its low mass and counterweighted tail as a biological aerodynamic diffuser, out-cornering the human engine at every turn. This is where the physics of inertia become a problem for Abu Medals. Every kilogram of muscle creates forward momentum that resists every sudden turn the jerboa makes. To stop that weight, the muscles must perform eccentric contractions. As shown in the schematic, the muscles are stretching and firing simultaneously, acting as heavy-duty brakes to absorb the kinetic energy of his own body. Every sudden break burns through stored oxygen at a rate human lungs cannot replenish. Within seconds, Abu Medals enters a state of severe oxygen debt. As the final panel in the source illustrates, the brain eventually initiates a mandatory shutdown. It pulls the plug on the muscles to prevent the heart from failing under the strain. Abu Medals collapsed under the weight of his own momentum. The metabolic cost of forcing a heavy frame to pivot like a featherweight finally forced his system to shut down. The local hunters eventually find the champion in the sand. They look down with pity and amusement, noting that chasing a jerboa on foot is a strategy usually reserved for cartoons. This mismatch scales up to organizational strategy. A bodybuilder is a massive corporation, while the jerboa is an agile startup. A large company carries bureaucratic mass, much like this cargo ship. When they try to rapidly pivot to chase a nimble competitor, they suffer from organizational inertia. Forcing that heavy system into a sharp turn often triggers a systemic failure. Abu Medals eventually yielded to his structural limits. He retired from ego-driven challenges, and now, if he sees a turtle on the path, he steps aside to let it pass. Power and strength are only assets when they match the field of play. In the desert, or the market, agility consistently beats the engine.